In order to do short rows, let's use a very common method, and that is to knit to where your pattern tells you to wrap the next stitch. So in my case, I'm going to have to wrap the next stitch on my left hand needle. To do that, I'm going to bring my yarn to the front of the work, slip that stitch from the left hand needle to the right hand needle purlwise, and then bring my yarn back to the back of the work. And what that does is it wraps that stitch. If you could see here, I'm just wrapping the stitch. I didn't knit it, I'm just wrapping it. And then you're going to turn the work and work back. In this case, I'm purling. And I need to slip that stitch that I wrapped. I'm going to slip it to the right hand needle purlwise, and then I'm going to purl, because that's what I'm just doing stockinette stitch, so my wrong side rows are purled. So I'm going to purl to the end. Now that I've purled all the way back to the end, my next row is going to be a right side row. I'm going to work across to where my wrapped stitch is, and you can see here there's a little gap, and that usually is a good indicator of where your wrapped stitch is going to be. So I'm going to knit to this wrapped stitch, and then I'll show you how to pick up that wrapped stitch. Now I'm almost to where that wrapped stitch is, and it's this stitch right here that was wrapped. What I'm going to do is use the tip of my right hand needle and just pick up that wrap, and then insert that right hand needle through the next stitch as I would normally for knitting. And then I'm going to have to knit both of these two strands. In my case, I usually find it a little easier to slip both of those strands onto the right hand needle and then use the tip of the left hand needle and just come in to both of those strands. That's just easier for me to knit that way. And now I have knit the next stitch and also picked up that strand, that wrap. And I'm going to keep knitting.